everybody share. You know they upgraded them, so right? Yo, let's see what we got going on today. My boy look like he doing a little vlog, getting himself some money. Y'all tune in, sit back, grab you some popcorn, enjoy the vlog, enjoy the video, enjoy the content. Oh yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share. Don't be stingy with it.
We got action. Alright, okay, what's good, YouTube? And today, we're bringing y'all a different video. What's good? What is good? What is good? What is good, YouTube? And I'm back with a short one, but it's not a short. It's a long form video. I'm finna shoot this little video slash gig vlog slash whatever slash content. And right now, I'm out doing some gig work and I'm finna go pick up an order from Sprouts. I ain't gonna really put the gig app out there yet because I don't want to get removed from the app. You know, you gotta be careful about some of these platforms y'all post on YouTube doing y'all gig work. You gotta be careful. But anyway, yeah, I'm picking up a little order. It ain't for much, you know, it's for like 4 items, I think. And I think it's paying almost $8 to go. Like, I'm not sure of the mileage, but I'm gonna come back on and I'm gonna let y'all know of the mileage. But I will show you guys, where I'm at with it, how I'm moving with it. And you know, let's just see where we at with it today. We at Sprouts Farmer Market with it, you know. I'm gonna go in here, this is like an organic spot. Go in here, pick up these items for the customer real quick. Make me some quick cash, cause your boy is broke. Your boy broke. And I'm gonna give y'all the honest amount of money that I made from doing this order. Everything's so peaceful up here. Everything is so peaceful. Everything is so peaceful up here. Take y'all in the store with me. I will let y'all see me come in here. Just make sure I lock my door, cause I can't have no mishaps today. Car get broken into, and that. Nah. But yeah though, I'm gonna come in the store and shoot this little content. Shoot this content, you know. Oh, they ain't got nothing for me to clean my hands with. Or for me to clean my shopping cart. I don't even think I'm gonna need no big shopping cart, cause I ain't even got no big order. What y'all see? Yeah. I'll be back in a minute because I got to pull up my shopping. Okay, so yeah, it was only 4 orders, 4 items, 6 units, I guess, separate stuff, you know. But now I'm picking up the salmon. Yeah, the 6 ounce. 1. And they ask that you take the skin off, please. I ain't gonna stay on too long, cause I don't want my video to get flagged for the music. But this is my last item, and I'm finna go check out, and then I'll get back with y'all guys when I come outside the store. Got to get out of here, get out of this music, and I'm out. So, what we did, we done got the package. I ain't gonna put them people stuff on the ground. I ain't gonna do none of that. But that's where we went and got it from, you know what I'm saying? Went in there, went and did this little gig app. Picked up the order. It was rather quick. It ain't take long. Normally I get a lot of orders that take a long time. But this one ain't even take long, you know? So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take these people's stuff, right? Cause this address, it looks familiar. I think I done went and did one here before. So I'm gonna take them they stuff and get right, you know? Take them they stuff, get right, let them get right so I can get the
And we're
proper.
gonna end it right here. Y'all know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share the content. Don't be stingy with it.